In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide posts and pages from search results in Dawn theme Shopify. If you're using the Dawn theme, you might have noticed that your store's search bar can show things you don't really want customers to see, like certain pages or blog posts. Maybe you use blog posts for internal notes, or you have policy pages that don't need to appear in search. The good news is you can control this without touching any code, just by using a free Shopify app. First, head over to your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the section labeled Apps and click on that. This is where all of your installed apps live and where you can add new ones. Next, we're going to install an app called Search and Discovery. This app is made by Shopify and it's free, so you don't need to worry about extra charges. In the Apps section, click on the option to visit the Shopify App Store, then search for Search and Discovery. Once you find the app by Shopify, click to install it and follow the prompts to add it to your store. After the installation is done, go back to your apps list in the Shopify admin and open the Search and Discovery app. This is where you can control how search behaves in your store, including which types of content actually appear in results. Inside the app, look for the Settings option, usually located in the sidebar or at the bottom of the menu. Click on Settings to open the configuration panel. On the Settings page, take a look at the right-hand panel. Here, you'll see options for what appears in search results and in predictive search results, which is the drop-down that appears as customers start typing in the search bar. You should see checkboxes for different content types, including pages and blog posts. To hide pages and blog posts from your store's search, simply uncheck the boxes for pages and for blog posts under both search results and predictive search results. This tells Shopify not to include those types of content when customers use the search feature. Once you've unchecked those options, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, click it, and wait for the confirmation that your settings have been updated. And that's it. Your Dawn theme search will now exclude pages and blog posts, keeping your search results focused on what matters most to your customers.